Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to our brand new week of our word analysis and our spelling unit. We are on week 5, getting ready to wrap up another unit. Now, this week our story is Paul Bunyan, and we are going to have a entirely new set of words that we are working with. So let's go ahead and get started with our spelling list. All right, let's take a look here and let's see if you can notice or point out anything that these words could possibly have in common. So let's take a look. We have the word announce. We have the word announcement. We have the word announcer. We have the word announced, pronounced, pronounced, pronounceable, then we have measured, then we have measurement, and then we have measure. Do you see anything in common with a particular group or a couple of words, perhaps? Let's see if you were correct. Let's take a look at our next skill. Now remember, I have been talking so much with you lately about how it is important that we are able to take words that we are not used to or that are unfamiliar to us as we read, take those words and pick them apart so that we understand what they mean, or we can identify what they mean. So we call those our decoding skills. And so I can look at a prefix, I can look at what a root word is, I can look at a suffix, and I can identify what those parts mean so that I can put a word back together so that I can get the meaning, which makes me a better reader, which makes me or I'm able to learn more vocabulary words, which increases my knowledge. This lovely brain power up here. Yay, that's our goal. So this week, our decoding skill is going to be to look at related words that can share a common root or a group of letters. Okay, stay with me here. We're going to kind of group these words and look at a certain pattern that you might see among a group of letters or a common root that they have. So we're going to begin by looking at these words. Take a look at these two words right here, announcer and announcement, two of your spelling words. Is there anything that you see that's familiar or that they have in common? Take a look, close look. What'd you say? You're absolutely right. I knew you were paying attention. You saw what I underlined. You saw announce. It sounds kind of funny when we say it like that, but you saw a root word, okay? And our dictionary or the dictionary that you use online, trust me, I know how technology is, you can find out what the meaning of announce is. You can look that up. And so I've underlined these two root words right here. And this tells me that both of these words are related. And you know that they fit in the same family because they contain the Latin root nounce. Now, I was able to look up this root to make sure it was correct and to make sure that I knew now in my knowledge it means to declare. All right, so let's learn a little bit more. So if I'm modeling this, I want you to know how I think. I want you to know how my brain processes my learning. I'm going to share it with you. So this is how I would think of this. I know now that the word announcement, which we started with up here, means the act of officially telling or making known to people. And another word that I can think of that's in the same family would be announcer. All right, you see how they're related? So when I use my dictionary to find the definition, I learn that its meaning, the meaning of announcer, is a person who speaks to the public. So here I have two words that are related. So now I can make this text to self connection that maybe I know of a time that I've heard an announcer making an announcement. So, for example, the people at our school that make the announcements in the morning and in the afternoon, they're announcers. We hear that on a daily basis. That's even a text to world connection. All right, so I'm going to leave you with that thought just for today. We're going to come back tomorrow for day 2. I appreciate it and enjoyed spending time with you. Love you dearly, and I will see you tomorrow for day 2. Bye-bye for now.